To create an account with miniPCR Digital, go to digital.minipcr.com and click the Sign In button in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address when prompted. Be sure to use the email address you'd like to connect to your miniPCR Digital account. Using the same browser or device, navigate to your email inbox. You should receive a magic link email from miniPCR Digital with a sign-in button. If you don't see your email within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. After clicking the sign-in button, you'll return to miniPCR Digital to finish setting up your account. This part of the video depicts the teacher onboarding process. After providing the requested information and consenting to the terms of use and other legal notices, you'll be ready to use your miniPCR Digital account. Note that students and teachers follow the same process for onboarding. The only difference is the amount and type of information requested. We collect more data from teachers than from students at the time of onboarding.